Endocrine disorders. The endocrine system is a network of glands that produces and releases hormones that help control many important body functions, especially the body's ability to change calories into energy that powers cells and organs. The endocrine system influences how your heart beats, how your bone and tissues grow, even your ability to make a baby. It plays a vital role in whether or not develop diabetes, thyroid diseases, growth disorders, sexual dysfunctions, and a host of other hormone-related disorders. Causes of the endocrine disorders. Endocrine disorders are typically grouped into two categories. Endocrine diseases that results when a gland produces too much or too little of an endocrine hormone called a hormone imbalance. Endocrine diseases due to the development of lesions in the endocrine system which may or not affect hormone levels, such as nodules or tumors. The endocrine feedback system helps control the balance of hormones in the bloodstream. If your body has too much or too little of a certain hormone, the feedback system signals the appropriate gland or glands to correct the problem. A hormone imbalance may occur if this feedback system has trouble keeping the right level of hormones in the bloodstream, or if your body doesn't clear them out of the bloodstream properly.
What are risk factors for endocrine disorders? A number of factors increase the risk of developing endocrine disorders. Not all people with risk factors will develop endocrine disorders. Risk factors for endocrine disorders include elevated cholesterol levels, family history of endocrine disorders, inactivity, personal history of autoimmune disorders such as diabetes, poor diet, pregnancy in cases such as hyperthyroidism, recent surgery, trauma, infection, serious injury. What are the potential complications of endocrine disorders? While most endocrine disorders are mild and slow to progress, certain endocrine disorders can lead to complications over time as unbalanced hormonal signaling affects normal body processes. In cases of Addison's disease and hypothyroidism in particular, acute attacks or crises can have serious complications. Diabetes can also have potentially life-threatening complications. Complications of untreated or poorly controlled endocrine disorders can be serious, even life-threatening in some cases. You can help minimize your risk of serious complications by following the treatment plan you and your healthcare professional designed specially for you. Complications of certain endocrine disorders include anxiety or insomnia, coma, depression, heart disease, nerve damage, organ damage or failure, poor quality of life. Thank you.
Diseases of the female reproductive system. Many parts of the male and female reproductive systems can be affected by cancer. In females, cancer can attack the uterus, ovaries, breast, and cervix, among other organs, according to the American Cancer Society. Many experts have seen what they refer to as the Angelina Jolie effect, where women are taking proactive measures by having breast and internal reproductive organs removed if they have a family history of cancers before there are signs of the diseases. With better genetic testing and screening, we have seen a number of women who are being more proactive about their reproductive health, said Dr. Shana Wingo, who specializes on gynecologic oncology at the Arizona Oncology. Ovarian cancer tends to have a poorer outcome than other gynecological cancers, Ross noted, because it is not typically diagnosed until it has progressed significantly. There is no standard screening available for ovarian cancer, so it is very difficult to identify it early. Tests to detect ovarian cancer as well as cancer of the fallopian tube and primary peritoneal cancer are according to the National Cancer Institute. There are two tests used to screen for cervical cancer. The PAP test screens for the cellular changes in the cervix called cytology, while the genital human papillomavirus (HPV) tests identifies the presence of infection with the high-risk HPV, the strain that are linked to cervical cancer, according to Dr. Charles Dubin, an OB/GYN in Santa Monica, California.